How to make candles at home. Pour said wax in container. This one's gonna be insane. On this how to make a candle episode. How to make candles at home. Preferred melter, either a pot to double broil or an electric pot works fine. Select your wax, either soy or beeswax. Pour in your wax. Your container. This one was upcycled. You can also put them in mason jars. Get your wicks. Candles for sale, link in bio. And if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.